Hey guys, it's Mason Kenyon with Riders AB, and just pulled my sled out of storage for the year. We're just gonna walk through some things, get ready for the season. I know I definitely put it away wet and dirty, so we're just gonna go through and get ready to run. Okay, now that we have the hood off, gonna go ahead and service the chain case. So we're gonna pull the cover, check for any chain wear, and change the oil while we're at it. Also, while you have the hood off, it's just a good time to go through, clean up your engine bay, wipe anything down, check for anything else that might have wear or any broken parts, and yeah, go from there. So to do the chain case, you can pull your can, unplug your can sensor here, all these plugs. Just go ahead, get everything unplugged, and then you got all your 10 mil bolts around, some T45s that are all in there. It's important to note that you should break all these loose by hand or take them out completely by hand, same with putting them in. And do not over tighten. They are really easy to strip your chain, like the case itself. And replacing the backside that's riveted onto the tunnel is a really big chore. So be super careful, don't use your impact on these. Okay, we got the chain case opened up. Oil's definitely is used. Murky, a little bit of shavings in there, but that's kind of normal from wear. As long as there's no big defects like visibly that you can see, you're good to go. You also want to check this tensioner, make sure that it's not worn through. But I'm pretty careful with setting my chain tension and checking it every ride last year. So we got no problems in here. And yeah, we'll bolt it back up and put some new oil in it. So I got my BRP XPS synthetic chain case oil here. This chain case should take the full bottle, and you fill it through this hole when you're going. This is your, like a drain plug. So I always pull that drain plug, and when the oil fills the case, and when it starts to just barely drip out of that, that's when you know it's good. So like I said, it should just be a bottle, but we'll go ahead and do that. So there's what I do for some preseason maintenance, and I'll continue to do that throughout the entire season to keep my sled running and keep putting the kilometers on. We'll see you out on the mountain.